Hi, I'm Bob McKillop. I live at the Old Orchard Country Club Village's condominiums, and I've had George from the Wiz Team come in and do work for me, and he came back again with his team, did the furniture upholstering, cleaning, did chairs, did couches, did the entire condominium, which is about 1,600 square feet, and it is a remarkable difference what has been done. They have done work for me before, and I have been very satisfied with it, and I would highly recommend them as a very trustworthy, honest, and a straightforward group of people that know what they're doing. They know their product, they know how to clean, they know how to do things, and I am very satisfied. We have completed it today. Today is the 11th of March, and I've known the Wiz Team for 4 years when we first moved in here. So that's my honest opinion and my honest appraisal, and now it's up to you. If you want people that you trust and you can rely on that know what they're doing, call the Wiz Team and talk to George.